I'll be out today. Business trip. Some crab in the fridge. That.
Same shit again.
Oh, good morning. You must be Professor John.
Yeah.
I'm Mr. Van Gassel.
Wow, I just entered this school 5 minutes ago, and after seeing all these little people willing to learn and looking forward to this year, I'm very happy to see this.
Yeah, that's good stuff. But before starting here, you have to know that this school may not be like all the ones you've been to.
Yes, this is a beautiful one.
Stop laughing and listen what I say. These kids you're going to teach are not normal kids. Most of them have serious family problems and psychic ones too. So do not flatter yourself with them.
So I picked up the boy and pulled his shorts and he was like, "Please mom, help me."
But did he cry or just shout?
No, he was crying and even he put on his underwear.
Oh God. Well, I hope this course is as good as the last one.
I hope this.
Good morning. I am Professor John. Welcome to school again this year, and I will be your tutor, and besides I will be teaching you English this year. So let's start with some questions about yourselves. You, for example, what's your name? What's your name again?
Mike Rajasten Esticoski.
Ah, stop it! So, what kind of things are you interested in?
Mike.
Actually, go on. Don't you see this guy is retarded?
Don't be crazy! Don't be crazy! Yes, Mr. Van Castle, these kids are very violent. It is not normal at all what they are doing. I was only trying to do my job.
I understand your concerns, but as I told you this morning, this school is not like others. And if we try to solve these kind of problems with severe ways, the government will see the issues and they won't give us subventions awards anymore.
But these awards are for really concerned schools.
Shut up! I don't want to listen to you anymore. This interview has come to an end. Don't talk about my business again and tell these kids to go home and ignore the problems. It's only kid stuff.
No, they have hurt a kid. It's not
Stop
normal.
it! Don't give him more importance than it deserves. You can leave now.
Michael Stibosniak, Russell Ganster. Father's phone. Oh. Hello?
What's this message? Let's see who is asking for me now.
Hello, it's John Kripke on the phone. I was phoning you to inform about the events at school today around your son. I just wanted to ask if we could meet one day to talk about it and find a way to solve them. Regards, Professor John.
What the hell have you been doing today at school? It's been only one day and you've already been into trouble.
Hello, Mike. How are you doing?
What are you doing?
Keep calm, man. We just want to be your friends.
Why are you so dead?
Leave me alone, I say.
Don't worry. We won't hurt you.
Again?
Please, I beg you. I don't want to be your friend.
Shut up, piece of crap!
You will do what we tell you to do.
So Mike, I will talk a little bit seriously with you. If you want to enter in our gang forever, you have to complete a little fast task.
I don't want. I want to go home.
Shut up.
Once you have entered the Black Eagles, you cannot leave.
Black Eagles.
Suba!
You are completely mad.
Shut up! Let me listen what the Eagle Golden Darkness would say me. Yes, I see. Yes, you have to enter on this show and store some donuts for us.
Okay, I do it. Go.
Damn thief! Those bastards again!
Hello, do you remember us?
Yesterday we were best friends, but you ruined it all by telling the police.
What are you talking about?
Don't play silly. You are not cheating us.
We have been all day with the head full of school and parents because an anonymous person called the police and tell them about the robbery.
We will go to prison because of you.
But you can go to prison for such stupid things.
Do you think we are stupid?
You are suffocating me.
Do it and he beat on himself on the... Oh, tio, és impossible aquesta frase! Vamos!
The pants! Tira't a l'aigua!
No, ja està, ja veig. Digo, joder, com que... Ara és tira, no cal que ho escupis. Tio, se li ha fet el que... Què fas, Pavo?
Dos, un...
Spider cerdo hace lo que un Spider cerdo hace. Puede columpiarse en una red. Pues no puede. Es un cerdo. Atención. Es un Spider cerdo.
¡Ya puta, tío!
¡Que pares, tío!
Para, que la picada.
Funcionamos mucho, tío. Y tengo algún regalo.
Una prostituta otra vez. Ahora sí, bueno,
Let's see who is asking now for you. Hello, good morning. You must be
Every day I'm shuffling.
Grábalo así.
Va, ara el ganso aquí. Va. Vale, ja. Lucas.
Què?
Carglass cambia, Carglass repara. Ja.
Què passa, Costi? Mira, això és el que necessites estudiar. No és bocata. Estàs gravant o no?
Miquel, pilla la cama.
Qual és que?
no tinc clar, que vull dir, m'has allà.
Que no lo dirá, no es capaz. Que sí que lo dirá. Hola, Marta.
Qui comença a parlar?
Tu, I just entered this.
Vale.
Perquè ja hem fet la...
Espera, no gravis el que escric, perquè...
Hello, dude. Es pareix una aclamollir.
Vas allá.
No, tú. Esto es mi plátano. A ver.
¡Corre, plátano!
Yesterday we were best friends.
¡Joder, tío! ¡Al agua!
Va, ahora.
Ja. No, però no vagi tan ràpid, tio. Joder, pilleu per aquí.
Pegaos más, tío. Tú, Karim, no, pero el Ruf sí. Pégate más. Cheri, més a prop del Richie.
Va, 3.
Ya no puede caminar porque le falta.
Keep calm, man. We're just going to be your friends. Why are you so tense?
¡Me cago en la puta, tío!
Hòstia.
No, hombre, no quiero nada. Ya. Don't be crazy.
Tio, però no et pillis. Que no l'estaves pillant a l'anterior escena. Estava sobre els cotxes.
Que me mira y me desnuda.
Que ya hablat amb un cigano, no? Igual passa. You have completed math.
Stop getting on.
Merda. Mireu el que m'ha fet el Miquel.
Ei, va, dona'm el d'això.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
We cry your session.
No, he was crying.
Zero. Alarma. Zero. No, no toquis els ous, tio. No, tio. No, tio, que he de marxar.
Ha de marxar? No el puc gravar?
No va, tio.
Merda.
But did he cry your session? Hola,
Hey! What the hell have you been doing at school? It's been only one fucking day, one bloody day, and you've already gotten into trouble. El yonki salvaje apareció.